Let's delve into the world of statistics to understand what mean, median, and mode are and how they are used. Mean. The mean is a measure of central tendency in statistics. It is also commonly known as the average. To calculate the mean of a set of numbers, you add up all the values in the data set and then divide the sum by the total number of values. The formula for mean can be represented as mean is equal to sum of all values, number of values. Mean is equal to number of values, sum of all values. For example, if you have a data set 3, 5, 8, 12, 15, 3, 5, 8, 12, 15, you would add these numbers together. 3 plus 5 plus 8 plus 12 plus 15 equals 43, and then divide by the total number of values, 5 in this case. So, the mean of this data set would be 43/5 is equal to 8.6. The mean is useful for finding an average value in a data set. It gives you a single number that represents the center of the data, although it can be affected by outliers or extreme values. Median. The median is another measure of central tendency. Unlike the mean, which is the average of all values, the median is the middle value in a data set when the values are arranged in ascending or descending order. If there is an odd number of values, the median is simply the middle number. If there is an even number of values, the median is the average of the two middle numbers. For example, in the data set 3, 5, 8, 12, 15. 3, 5, 8, 12, 15, the numbers are already in ascending order. Since there are 5 values, the median is the middle number, which is 8. However, if we have a data set 3, 5, 8, 12, 15, 20, 3, 5, 8, 12, 15, 20, now there are 6 values. The two middle numbers are 8 and 12. So, to find the median, we average these two numbers, 8 plus 12, 2 is equal to 10. The median is particularly useful when dealing with skewed data or data sets that contain outliers because it is not affected by extreme values as much as the mean. Mode. The mode is the value that appears most frequently in a data set. Unlike the mean and median, which are measures of central tendency, the mode is a measure of frequency or occurrence. For example, in the data set 3, 5, 8, 12, 15, 8, 8, 3, 5, 8, 12, 15, 8, 8, the number 8 appears 3 times more than any other number. Therefore, the mode of this data set is 8. It's possible for a data set to have more than one mode if multiple values occur with the same highest frequency. A data set with no repeated values has no mode. Comparison and usage. Each of these measures of central tendency serves different purposes and can provide valuable insights into a data set. Mean is useful for finding the average value and is affected by outliers. Median is useful for finding the middle value and is less affected by outliers. Mode is useful for identifying the most frequent value or values. Choosing which measure to use depends on the nature of the data and the specific question you are trying to answer. For normally distributed data without outliers, the mean, median, and mode may be similar. However, for skewed or non-normally distributed data, they can differ significantly, and it's important to consider each measure to get a comprehensive understanding of the data's central tendency. In summary, mean, median, and mode are fundamental concepts in statistics that help us understand the typical or central values in a data set, each providing unique insights depending on the characteristics of the data being analyzed. Here are some applications of mean, median, and mode in real-life scenarios. Mean. Grades. Teachers use the mean to calculate students' average grades over a semester or year. Finance. In finance, the mean is used to calculate average returns on investments or to analyze company earnings over time. Science. Scientists use the mean to calculate average temperatures, velocities, or other measurements in experiments. Median. Income. Median income is often used to describe the earnings of a population, as it represents the middle value, indicating the income level where half of the population earns more and half earns less. Housing prices. The median home price is a common metric in real estate to understand the typical cost of homes in a particular area. Healthcare. Median survival time is used in medical studies to describe the time at which half the patients in a group are still alive. Mode. Survey data. In surveys, the mode is used to identify the most common response among participants. Product sales. Retailers use the mode to identify the most popular product or category of products sold. Traffic analysis. Transportation planners use the mode to identify the most common type of transportation used by commuters in a city, example car, bus, bicycle. These applications demonstrate how mean, median, and mode are essential tools in various fields for analyzing and interpreting data.